Replacing or installing a new door can seem like a straightforward task, but to achieve the best results, it's often worth enlisting a professional installer. Whether it's a front door, patio door, or interior door, professionally installed doors not only look better but can improve your home's functionality, security, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Gilbert, where the climate and lifestyle present unique considerations, professional door installation offers several key advantages. Let's explore the top benefits that professional door installation can bring to your home. Ensured proper fit and seal. A door is only as effective as its fit. Improperly installed doors can leave gaps, allowing drafts, pests, and dust to enter your home. In Gilbert's hot climate, even a small gap can lead to uncomfortable drafts and impact your indoor temperature control. Professional installers measure carefully to ensure a perfect fit, giving you a properly sealed door that keeps out drafts and helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Increased energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top concern for many Gilbert homeowners, especially during the summer when cooling costs soar. Poorly installed doors often let conditioned air escape, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Professional installers know how to properly weatherproof and seal doors, ensuring that they perform optimally and reduce energy loss. This attention to detail can lead to significant savings on energy costs over time, making your home more efficient and eco-friendly. Enhanced security and safety. A door is your home's first line of defense, and its installation plays a big role in overall security. Professional door installers have the expertise to install doors with enhanced security features, like reinforced frames, secure hinges, and advanced locking systems. Proper installation also ensures that the door sits solidly in the frame, making it more resistant to forced entry. For Gilbert families, having a professionally installed door can offer peace of mind knowing that their home is safe and secure. Expert guidance on materials and styles. The variety of door materials, styles, and finishes available today can be overwhelming. A professional installer brings knowledge of different options, helping you choose the best door for your specific needs. They can recommend materials that perform well in Gilbert's hot, dry climate, such as fiberglass or metal doors with UV-resistant finishes. They also provide guidance on style, ensuring that your new door complements your home's architecture and enhances its curb appeal. Avoid costly mistakes. Attempting to install a door yourself may seem like a cost-saving option, but even a small miscalculation can lead to costly mistakes. Doors that aren't level, securely fastened, or properly sealed can lead to drafts, leaks, and even damage to surrounding structures. Professional installers have the tools, training, and experience to avoid these common pitfalls, ensuring that the job is done right the first time. This saves you the hassle and expense of having to fix errors down the line. Warranty protection. Most new doors come with a manufacturer's warranty, but this warranty often requires professional installation to remain valid. If you attempt a DIY installation and make a mistake, you may inadvertently void the warranty, leaving you without coverage if something goes wrong. Professional door installation protects your investment by keeping the warranty intact, giving you added protection and peace of mind. Increased home value. Home improvements that enhance functionality and aesthetics generally add value to your property, and professional door installation is no exception. A professionally installed door not only boosts your home's curb appeal but also adds to its overall value. Potential buyers appreciate the look, security, and efficiency that a professionally installed door provides. This investment can yield a high return, especially if you plan to sell your home in the future. Reduced maintenance needs. Professional door installers use techniques and materials that minimize maintenance. They can help you select doors with durable finishes that resist peeling, cracking, or fading under Gilbert's intense sun. Additionally, properly sealed doors are less likely to experience problems like sticking, warping, or leaking, which are common with improperly installed doors. With a professional installation, you'll spend less time on repairs and upkeep, allowing you to enjoy your door for years without worry. Improved functionality and ease of use. A door that sticks, squeaks, or doesn't close properly can be a constant source of frustration. Professional installers ensure that your door opens and closes smoothly and latches securely every time. They adjust the hinges, frame, and locks to make sure everything functions perfectly, giving you a door that not only looks great but also operates seamlessly. When it comes to enhancing your home's appearance, security, and efficiency, a professionally installed door is a smart investment. Gilbert homeowners face unique challenges, from extreme heat to dust, making the benefits of professional installation even more impactful. By choosing a professional for your door installation, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job was done correctly, maximizing the performance and lifespan of your new door. If you're considering a door replacement or new installation, contact a reputable door installation service in Gilbert. With their expertise, you'll be able to make the most of your investment, transforming your home's entryway into a functional, stylish, and secure space that you can be proud of.